are all cameras go. I see the door open, that's a good sign. The other place, not so much, but... Oh, I've waited a long time to get to this place. We're at a random Conoco gas station here in Arvada, Colorado. We have a very rare and old wash. Oh, somebody's in it. Wait, no! No, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. The Monarch II is gone. What was the last street view? I think it was like 6 months ago and it was still here. Ouch. That hurts. That sucks too. But it looks like we have a 3rd gen Mark 7 in there. Although, is the space station stuck or something? I don't know what that's about. To be honest, I'm not sure if I want to film this. No. That really sucks. The old Monarch II is gone. It was still here 6 months ago. So, that really stinks. And the reason I mentioned that second car wash, I'm gonna dupe on this one. At least there's an exit portal here. The second car wash is Colorado's only new star machine. So, we're gonna go try that. And rip the Monarch II that was here only a little bit ago. Yes, literally right across the street, we have another super rare wash. This one doesn't, see, this is one that looks less promising, you know, but until, I didn't know that Monarch would be gone by now. It says it's alive. Oh, it's playing music. Please select a wash, and then yeah, everything's very dim. So yeah, we're at this other wash with Colorado's only new star soft touch machine. Alright, here we go. Having to make little cuts because my phone only has about 7 minutes of recording time left. Look at this. Soft touch wash and polish. Wow. Five brushes. Wow. Old New Star dryers too, it looks like. It's kind of stationed in the back like a Modtech is. Alright, I got 6.5 minutes of recording time left on my phone, and my dash cam will finish out the rest of this video if need be. Yeah, this thing feels and sounds pretty aggressive. It's shaking the car pretty good. Because, like, on Google Maps, it said this car wash got sold, and I was worried that this machine would be gone, and the Monarch with the door open still being there, but it turned out to be the complete opposite. I'm really sad that the Monarch was gone, and it was still there 6 months ago. I literally could have gotten it if I came down here like when I came home from Texas, but man, that top brush is loud. But at least I mean, this other rare machine is going to be a backup. Can't be spot free already. And there's no status signage in here either. Definitely sounds like an old school machine. It still works pretty well though. I've only done one New Star touch free. This is my only New Star soft touch that I've done. I do not want to miss the dryer startup here. So that's why I'm rolling my windows down multiple times. Alright, 3 minutes left on the camera. She's probably gonna park back there, so. Another nice startup. I think these are original New Star dryers as well. Whoa! He's gonna fall out of the bay. Well, sad that the Monarch II is gone, but I'm glad this New Star is still here. There's no timer out here either. You just fall out of the bay. I mean, this is ridiculous. The incline is crazy. Or decline, whatever it is. Alright, well, at least we got that taken care of. I mean, look at this hill getting out of the automatic car wash. Well, I mean, pretty basic place overall, so. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Rip the Monarch, but the New Star is still good. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.